Morning. Welcome to Unit 501. So we're going to do a quick tour and show everybody what's going on. All right. So here we go. This is where the original HVAC used to belong. Currently the hallway's at 71. So this is the HVAC closet. It's kind of hard to see, but as you can see, it's a very small closet. This is where, again, the old HVAC closet was. There's a hole here because they put the coil in sideways. And you can tell when they developed this area, they already knew it was small because look at your studs. It's already sideways. So what we did was, here you had a closet on this side, and you see the new vent, and then you had a closet on this side. So what we did was knock out the wall and put in your brand new Bosch system. Piped it up. Again, one of the biggest issues, again, see how small that return area is? Look how big that return area is. All right, and then this area will be sealed off. So that's your return box. And this is the back side of that unit that you saw from the other side. So overall, you lose 2 closets, but we'll build back the other one so you have another closet. All right, and then real quick, let's go outside. This is your Bosch unit. And I'll put a picture in here, but this thing is going to be a challenge trying to repair in the future. So we got a 10-year warranty on this, so hopefully we don't have to mess with it for 10 years. All right, and the last thing we did was in the master bedroom. They was complaining that there wasn't enough air, so that's the original vent. And then what we did was we added one more vent. We will get that cover put on, but this room is really, really cold now.